How to tag someone in post on Facebook. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Facebook. You'll simply find what's on your mind at the top. Click on what's on your mind. After you click on it, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply type anything you want. After you have typed in, type @ and then search the person's name. Their Facebook will pop up. Simply select their profile. After that, you can simply add pictures as well. If you don't want pictures, click on post at the top right. After that, the person will be tagged in on your post on Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.